So let's say that we wanted to do an average or a sum or a count, but we had multiple different conditions that we wanted to count over or average over. So rather than just using average if or sum if, what we can do is use the function Averageifs. And so what that would look like would be, not plus, Averageifs. And so this would take the arguments of, first, what do we want to average? So let's say we want the average of activity level for our little toy data set here. So we would select this entire column. And so we're selecting the entire column because that's the column we want to have averaged. Those are the values we want to have averaged. And then later, Excel will select from there based on our criteria. And so then we set our first criteria range. So let's say that we wanted to look at average activity level for females. And so we would select this range, and then we would specify the value we're looking for. So here's our range for our first condition. So we want to look through all of here, but we only want those who are female on this gender binary. So we say F. But then maybe we also want only those females who are in a group home. So our second criteria, this is where it starts to get different. Our second criteria then is going to be facility. So we would select that and then type in group home. And then that's what we want. And then it shows us, here's our average activity level for females who are living in a group home. So what it did is it took this value and this value. And again, if you had a larger data set and there were even more conditions that you were trying to average over or count, then you could continue adding conditions. You just select the range and then, what is the condition.